then you gotta put your booties on because I'm scared of what's on the bottom of the ocean. So I feel like this protects a tiny little small layer of
It doesn't really protect from anything, to be honest.
Yes, it does.
That's why I'm going barefoot today.
It's, even if it's mental, it's fine. But like, look at this. There's like a little layer. What's he trying to do to me, you guys? Oh yeah, where is that light this whole time? Okay, let's go. Okay, what's your favorite thing about paddleboarding?
Being in the water.
Okay, I mean, something less obvious.
Quietness. The tranquility.
The tranquility.
When was the last time you were in the water?
Like 2 weeks ago. I actually went surfing, you guys. I caught 3 baby waves and I didn't die, so it was a good day.
It was a good day. And we're gonna maybe catch some baby waves today on the paddleboards.
Yes, I'm so excited for that. Look at the sunset. We are out here in the middle of the fucking ocean.
So nice. Sit back and crack a cold one.
Yeah, we should have brought a beer.
Here comes the wave of the day. Look at this thing. coming in. We're gonna catch one of these waves. It's about 2 to 3, occasional 4, occasional 5. Might get a little bit bigger. Here it is, everyone, the wave of the day. Alright, I should have been filming. I caught a wave in, but now I'm gonna swim back out to Bailey. This will be interesting. There we go. Almost out. A little further. Oh gosh, I should have been filming. I caught a wave all the way in. Almost there. She's about 50 yards from me. Half a football field. Nothing like a good swim. Ooh, I found her. Almost there.
Okay, so how are you going to stand with this paddle?
I don't know.
I was like, hey, no, there's a paddle.
I made it.
You made it.
That was a long swim.
Okay, we're here.
We're here.
We're going to attempt to
stand
catch
up. Oh, wait.
There we go. Alright, how are we going to do this? Give me a tutorial.
So, we're going to see a wave coming.
Okay.
And then we're going to paddle for it.
Okay.
And then you're going to stand up first, and then I'm going to stand
I'm
up.
going to stand up first. I feel like last time you stood up first.
Maybe I stand up first. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you get like acquainted on the wave. Okay. Okay, ready? In position. He's got a nice flat back.
No, we're good.
Try to catch one in. Oh god. Are we gonna stand up? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, we made it to land. We both tandem away. Barely. But the sunset is pretty epic right now.